Hello everyone, good to see you all. Welcome to Excel Visuals with Muttu. In this video, we are going to learn about some simple as well as essential formulas that will be used for our day-to-day regular activities. We can have this as a sample. We have the fruit list in the data. If you see here, the sales have been mentioned in the next column. Usually what we will do, we need to find the overall sales happen, average, count, max, min. These are all the 5 major requirements that we will usually do in our data, right? For that, what we will do, we will follow some 2 to 3 process. Number one, we will just select the data and then we will see on the bottom in the status bar, it will be mentioned sum, count, average, max, min, everything. Else what we will do, we will manually try to add equal to 884 plus 430, like that we will add. Else we will just put equal to, we will click on the cells one by one, and then we will add manually. Why you are doing this manual procedures? Come out of this, just try to use the Excel formulas. Why? Because in case if you change any values in this column, automatically these formulas will get you a result. Else what you have to do, manually you have to update that again and again. For that, we can go for the first 5 simple as well as essential formulas in Excel. Number one, we are going for the total sales. Total means we will directly use the sum formula, equal to sum. I will usually press a tab for auto completing the formula. Whichever is in blue color, whichever is selected, it will auto complete. No need of open manual brackets there. I can press a tab. Then what we will do, we will select the range, right? With mouse, I'm just selecting the range as it is a simple data. I will close the bracket, then I will press enter. We will get the overall sales here. So for this data, I have directly used the sum formula, which will give overall sales there. In case if any modifications happen, if the value gets updated, this formula will automatically track and it will give you a result. Next, number of sales, which means how many products have been sold. The number of products or number of fruits sold have to be listed here. Manually what we will do, 10 products are there, so we will select, right? Instead, equal to, there is a formula count. Sum means it will add how many, number of means we have to use the formula count, equal to count. As usual, press a tab, then with mouse I am selecting the range here, close bracket, enter. We will get 8. Why? Because 2 values are not entered there. Out of 10 fruits, only 8 fruits are sold. Then average. Usually what we people will do for average, we will directly take the sum divided by the number of sales. So sum by count will give you the average. But we are not going to do this. Why? Because you need a separate sum cell, count cell. So for that, I am going to use the direct formula average, equal to average tab, select the range. It will give you the average. So sum, count, average. Next, we need to definitely find out the highest sale. So for that, I am trying to use equal to max as a formula. Many people, what they will do, they will try to select and sort data tab. They will try to go for the sort, but that is also static, right? We have to do it again and again. For that, I'm going to use this formula max, max, tab, and I'm going to select the range here, close bracket, enter. We will get a result. The last, lowest sale, so equal to max means the opposite term. We will use the min formula, min, tab, and then I will use to select the range, close, enter. We will get a result. So instead of manual working, manual finding, we can use these formulas sum, count, average, max, then min. That's it. So thank you all everyone. We can see in the next video.